This video covers the C minor arpeggio. That is an arpeggio for the chord C minor. It's the one chord in the key of C minor. So as you're doing the keys for 3 flats, make sure you do the C minor arpeggio also. C minor scale, C minor arpeggio, whatever. The notes are a C, an E flat, and a G. And the 4th finger plays it in the left hand, and the index finger plays the black key in the right hand. Otherwise, that's it. For the beginner level, it's the same as all the others. It's 1 note per beat, tremolo, up and down 1 octave. So it's here. Accent and drop the wrist. And then just do the arpeggio up 1 octave. Just make sure you're accenting and dropping the wrist. It's close enough. You just want to kind of get the idea of this arpeggio under your fingers. That's all we're after. Now for the intermediate level, we're going to do everything in the beginner level, plus we're going to go 2 octaves. So in the tremolo exercise, you start with the 1 note per beat, like you were. 2 octaves at 2 notes per beat then. So I got it almost right. And then do the actual arpeggio 1 octave and 2 octaves. Just 1 octave, 1 note per beat, and then 2 octaves, 2 notes per beat. There, close enough. We're trying to get it into our fingers, especially with the thumb doing its thing. That kind of a feeling. All connected, all legato. And for the advanced, we do everything in the beginner and intermediate, plus we add 3 and 4 octaves to it. You may not need the tremolo exercise by now if you've been doing it before. So but for this one, we go down an octave, below middle C, and we're starting here. And it's 1 note, then 2 notes, 3 notes, 4 notes. And separate the whole pattern. Then do the inversions. So first inversion, you're starting ring fingered index, and it's the same pattern as 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves. And when you get to the 4 octaves, you do the contrary and the parallel motion just like we've done all the others. And then second inversion is starting here. It's the same fingering as here, and it's that. And parallel and contrary and the whole bit. Yeah. Just keep the metronome slow. Down around 50 is good enough. This exercise needs to be done slowly and deliberately with the wrist and the accents and the whole bit.